Welcome to Employment and Education News.
This channel is only for you, so please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. Security Assistant Executive Multitasking Staff Post Vacancy in Intelligence Bureau. Eligibility 10th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff, maximum 27 years for security assistant and executive. Last date for application 25 November 2022. Salary H for pay level 1 for multitasking staff and pay level 3 for security assistant and executive. Agniveer Bayu post vacancy in Indian Air Force. Eligibility 12th with mathematics, physics, English. Diploma in engineering. Age limit born between 27 June 2002 and 27 December 2005. Last date for application 23 November 2022. 1061 Junior Translation Officer, Stenographer Grade 1, Stenographer Grade 2, Administrative Assistant, Store Assistant, Security Assistant, Vehicle Operator, Fire Engine Driver, Fireman post vacancy in Defense Research and Development Organization. Eligibility 10th, 12th, Bachelor degree, Master degree in Hindi or English with English or Hindi as a subject at graduation level. Age limit maximum 30 years for Junior Translation Officer, Stenographer Grade 1, 18 to 27 years for Stenographer Grade 2, Administrative Assistant, Store Assistant, Security Assistant, Vehicle Operator, Fire Engine Driver, Fireman. Last date for application 7 December 2022. 15 Junior Assistant, 8 Senior Assistant, 1 Pharmacist, 13 Technician, 25 Technician, 17 Office Attendant post vacancy in Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology. Eligibility 12th, Diploma in Engineering, Bachelor degree in Pharmacy. Age limit maximum 27 years for Junior Assistant, Office Attendant, Technician and Pharmacist. 33 years for Senior Assistant and Senior Technician. Last date for application 2 December 2022. 6 Superintendent, 2 Study Activity and Sports Assistant, 3 Library and Information Assistant post vacancy in Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology. Eligibility Bachelor degree, Master degree, Bachelor degree in Physical Education, Postgraduate Diploma in Library Automation and Networking. Age limit maximum 30 years. Last date for application 2 December 2022. Engraver Junior Office Assistant post vacancy in India Government Mint. Eligibility Bachelor of Fine Arts, Graduate and Computer Knowledge. Age limit maximum 28 years. Last date for application 30 November 2022. 7 Junior Engineer, 17 Technical Assistant post vacancy in Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology. Eligibility Diploma in Engineering, BSc, BE or BTech, MCA, MSc. Age limit maximum 30 years. Last date for application 2 December 2022. Junior Research Fellow 3 Computer Science, 2 Mechanical, 7 Electronics and Communication post vacancy in Defense Research and Development Organization, Defense Electronics Research Laboratory. Eligibility BE or BTech, ME or MTech. Age limit maximum 28 years. Last date for application 26 November 2022. Stipend Rs 31,000 per month. 112 Scientist C, 12 Scientist D, 1 Scientist E, 2 Scientist F post vacancy in National Informatics Center. Eligibility BE or BTech, MCA, MSc, MPhil, ME or MTech with experience. Age limit maximum 35 years for Scientist C, 40 years for Scientist D, 45 years for Scientist E, 50 years for Scientist F. Last date for application 21 November 2022. Application fees 800, no fee for SC, ST, PWD and women candidates. Thanks for watching till the end.